Hey guys, so today we're going to be covering some of the basic data types used in Postgres, like numerical type, and then we have character type and so on. So here we go. Going through data types and that we are using here. So we have like numeric, character type, date and time, and then Boolean type. So here, the first thing I'm going to do is open a query tool, and then so here, if I first do select everything from country and execute it, then you can see that here we have over here under the columns, you can see like which data type it is. So here we have big int, then this stands for primary key. So here we have big int, then we have character varying, then we have character varying 11, and then we have small int over here. So all of these are like, so for example, big int and small int, they're both numeric, and then character varying is character type. So in total, we're gonna go through, here we have, so if I go through the columns, go here and just press on create a column and go on definition, then here we have select an item. So here we can see all the data types. So the first, if you start with numeric, I'm just gonna give like 3 examples of each of them. So we have big int, or actually let's start small int. So here we have small int. So here we have small int, and this is basically like a 2-byte integer type, and it's like, so basically it's like it can only take integers, and the storage amount is 2 bytes. Then we have integer. This one, this one is 4-byte integer type, so it can like store 4 byte. And then we have big int, and that one is the largest and has like 8-byte integer type. Then we have the character type. So here we have big int for the ID, and then we have small int for the official languages. Although necessarily we wouldn't need big int for like such small numbers. And then we have character type. So there we have this. And then also what you do, you can like write in brackets, you can write like n. So something like this essentially. And that basically means that it's like fixed length. So if the string is shorter than n, so like say n is 9, so then if the string is shorter than 9, then it's padded with spaces. And it's like a fixed length. So that's this one. And then we have this one. So that's basically character varying. So here. So this is basically like varying character varying, same thing. So this we can write normally empty like this as well. So like we've used over here. Or you can put like an n for this one as well, basically. So you can write it like this. And then inside you put in like an n. So in this case n is 11. So then you have like the variable length. It's basically variable length and can store strings with a maximum length of n. So if I have 11 here, then none of these values can go more than 11. It'll just cut out everything else. So if I put in a value that's, for example, like 12 characters, then it's just going to cut it out. And then we also have the last one, text. And this is variable length, and it has like no specific length limit really. So you can put like whatever you want, how many ever characters you want. Then there's date and time types. So there's date, which goes in the format of year, month, day. And then you have time. And then you can do like time with time zone or like time without time zone. And that goes in hour, minute, second format. And then we have timestamp. So then you have that it takes like basically both date and time. So the date is year, month, day, and then time is hour, minute, second. And you can have it with time zone or without time zone. And then lastly we have Boolean type. So this only has This has like basically virtually three different values. So you can put in like true value, false value, or a null value. And that's the only type of Boolean value there really is, Boolean type. It's only this one Boolean.